Welcome to Symplectic Elements. Let's take a more in-depth look into this website. This latest version includes a simplified home tab, a more prominent profile section, and action items area. All sections include active links, meaning you can click on them to get to the appropriate section. Let's look at the persistent header. This is the black band at the top of the screen. In the persistent header, you will see your logged in status, impersonating status. I have been chosen as a delegate, so I am logged in as Dr. Glouser, and it will show you that in this section. Then there's log out, impersonate another user. In this section, you can click on it to find the list of people who have chosen you as a delegate and impersonate them, or do a search. Then there's the workspace area. This is the area where you can join duplicates. Next is email, and finally the help section. In the home tab, the next section is the profile area and includes the individual's information. Click on the image to see a full profile. This section includes an overview, experience, education, all of your publications, 3 tabs including recent publications, favorites, and again, all. To the right, you'll see external profiles, in this case, researcher ID. If you have an ID, you can put it in there. The last area is the co-authors section that includes a graphic and name list. The next section is My Actions. This action items area includes claiming publications, which you can see right here. And if you click on the carousel, you can also add your Scopus ID. For more information on what the Scopus ID is, please go to this website. My Actions has the option of 2 views, the carousel view, which you are looking at right now, or you can click on this icon to see a list. Again, this is the area where you can claim or reject items. The next area is My Summary. In this section, first you'll see a total of all of your publications, including pending items. If you wanted to add something, you could click this Add section and add a book, chapter, journal article, whatever you need. You'll also notice a graphic display going year by year. You can click on this section to see the specific publications from that year. The next area in My Summary is your H-index. Underneath, you'll see claimed publications divided up by publication type. And finally, pending publications, again, divided up by publication type. The final area that you will see on the Home tab is Administration. You will only see this section if you are a division point of contact. From Administration, you can send an email reminder or reset their pending publications. Now that we've looked at the Home tab, let's check out some of the other tabs. The Menu tab is divided up into 3 main boxes: Manage, Explore, and My Account. Under Manage, you'll find a link to publications. If you click on it, you'll see your Mine, Pending, and Not Mine tabs. Click on Import to upload a BibTeX or EndNote library to add items that Symplectic has been unable to find. Click Search Settings to see the databases that are being searched, to add name variants. This is important when you're first setting up your account. You'll want to use your CV and add everything, so you might need to adjust not only the name variants but addresses as well. This would be names of other institutions or other cities in which you published. You can also try to find specific publications in the online database ID section by using a PMID, PMCID, or other type of unique number. The last section shows all of the databases Symplectic is checking for your work. And in this area, you can click the plus sign and add information such as your author identification number for researcher ID within Web of Science, and the same with Scopus. The last area is Create Links. Click this to associate one publication with another. You're not joining that publication. What you're doing is creating a link. Say you wrote a paper and then an erratum was published. This is the area where you can link those two items together. The next box under Menu is Explore. This is an area where you can search the entire Symplectic database. You can either type in a keyword and check out all of the publications by CCHMC authors, or you can click the Advanced button and do a more complicated search here. You'll notice you can also click on Save this search. You can give it a name, and you'll find this search in the Explore box under Saved Searches. The other option under Explore is Recent Publications. In this section, you can check out publications for the entire hospital or limit it to your division. If you were in adolescent medicine, one came through this week, you can click on that one and see what it was. You can also change to a different range, 2 weeks, a month, or 3 months, or choose your own range. The last box under the Menu tab is My Account. This is information that's specific just to you. You can click View Profile, and this will take you to your Profile tab. Next, you'll see Inbox. This is your email. If there were any announcements about Symplectic, you would find them here. Under Inbox is Workspace. This is the area where you can join duplicate publications together. Under Workspace is Account Settings. Click on this to choose delegates or to delete as needed. Manage Delegates takes you to the same area. Underneath this is Impersonate. This is the same option as in the persistent header, Impersonate another user. The final link is to Help. Click this to find videos, a link to our FAQ page, and for our Quick Start Guide. The last tab we'll check is Research Admin. You will only see this if you are a division point of contact. This area contains reporting. You can do a basic report. You can search by an individual's name or an entire user group, for instance, adolescent medicine. There are other options to filter here, and then you can get a report. Here is an example of a report of publications for adolescent medicine. You also have an option for group statistics and comparative statistics. Please remember to use caution in this area because databases pull publication dates in multiple ways, and it's hard to get a precise report. The Symplectic team is working with IS to create useful reports for you. Again, you can use these, but use them with caution. For a complete guide on Symplectic Elements, please visit this website. Please email us at this email address with any questions about Symplectic.